Okay, typewriter. Jackie's trying it out on his own. How's your paper look?
Didn't work.
Why?
There it is.
How's it look on your paper?
Not working. Oh, there it is. Page gauge.
What's a gauge? Think about the word gauge. Does it say insert here, paper here, or does it say gauge?
It says gauge.
Okay, so that probably has anything to do with it. I'm trying to help.
This looks right though.
Okay, well then go for it.
I did. It didn't work.
Okay, so what's printing? How do you print it?
That's it right there.
Okay. I can't help it. I'm sorry.
Look at that. Damn, that's pretty sick.
So, how are you gonna type a whole page? You start from the bottom and work up, or what?
Do you keep going?
So you keep just pushing it down. Oh, I'm gonna be quiet. He's studying it hard.
These things do. What does this thing do?
Oh, what is it doing?
How do you guys write that?
Should we call Ian? Go with your first instinct. I'll help you. Go with your first instinct.
This was my
When you sat down.
Was that?
No, when you first sat down, that wasn't your first instinct. You did something else.
Oh my god, so that was right?
God, you don't want to build bridges, do you? Okay. Good. But now what? Is that right?
Damn it.
Do you see levers or anything around?
Oh.
Do you see any levers anywhere? Or do you see, like...
You do that.
Okay, how are you going to start typing on the left? Or you just start typing in the middle of stuff?
Be quiet. What are they doing?
I expect punctuation, though. Proper
Is there
spacing.
backspace on these things?
I don't know, is there? I expect punctuation,
Huh?
not spaces. Hello, comma, my name is Jackson, period. How are you today?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
Expecting a lot from you.
How many spaces were you going to go? Okay, do it again.
This is pretty gnarly. See how fast that thing moves?
Would you like
Look
to
at
slow
that.
down the speed?
Look at that. That's quick. Look how fast it goes. Put your finger out there.
I've done that before. We all do that in life.
Does it hurt?
We'll try it.
You guys scared?
Put your tongue there. Ooh!
I kind of want to do it.
Type the alphabet. Good. Good job. Now, type the numbers. then how do you type symbols? Why are you holding? You have to hold the shift key. Okay, now go type capital letters. Okay, stop. Tell me what were you pressing to have it do that?
Shift.
What's on the key above it?
Block.
Try that.
What happened there?
Type the alphabet in uppercase.
Huh?
Type the uppercase. Yeah. It's kind of fun, huh?
I like it. I'm gonna go to class with this.
I love typewriters. I get them at estate sales. Problem is finding ribbon.
What does it all need to work?
Power means it's using ink to print, but it doesn't have like an ink cartridge. It has a ribbon. Well, I guess it has a cartridge, but we had strong fingers when we were in junior high. We didn't have electric ones.